Hello, HCD back here with another video, and pretty much what this video is going to just be about. It's going to be a sound sample of how the Skullcandy Barrel XT sounds. This is a 60 watt speaker. The subwoofer is 30 watts, and the two other drivers. So just like a three-way speaker, pretty much kind of like JBL setup. Pretty much it has woofers as like mids and tweeters, and quite frankly, it sounds pretty good to me. It's clear. The bass doesn't distort. Something that I forgot to mention in the other video is this play and pause button operates, well, it acts as a bass boost button. So if you hold it for like 2 seconds, this button will turn off. I'll demonstrate. That pretty much means that it's no longer in bass boost mode. And if you press and hold it again, that pretty much means that it's in bass boost mode. So again, this is going to be a sound sample. The song is going to be called Brass, and I'll put the artists who basically made this track down below in the description already. In a minute. And this is going to be 30% volume.
J-Rap, J-Rap, J-Rap.
And yeah, and that's pretty much it. Again, that was Brass. I'll put the artist name down in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much the Skullcandy Barrel XT. And I'll see you in the next video.